Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 196 Fairmont Ave, Unit 3, and this is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the 3rd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm just going to kind of go around, give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. Also just go around and show all the angles and different things that this apartment has to offer. So first thing you'll notice when you come in through here is that this double room living room setup that's pretty common in Worcester is completely opened up. So it's pretty much just a full rectangular open space. So lots and lots of potential with this space of what you could do with it. There's enough room for, 2 entertainment systems, multiple sectional couches, or really just anything that you could put in here. It's got big windows, 6 windows in total in this room to let in the light. And it's got fresh paint on all the walls, kind of going throughout the unit. It's got some nice built-in cabinetry right there. Same thing with the rest of the apartment that we'll take a look at. And that is the full amount of the living room here. It's got brand new parlor heaters that were just installed. So you got brand new parlor heater there, brand new parlor heater, and a new gas stove right there. So those all look really good. Then you come in here, this is bedroom number 1. This is kind of the bedroom closest to the front of the apartment. And these bedrooms are all pretty nice sized. Would easily be big enough for like a queen size bed plus a desk / dresser setup. And we're taking a look at everything in here. You also have fresh blinds on the windows in the bedrooms and even fresh blinds out here, which looks really nice. Then you come in here through the kitchen, and this is kind of the hub to the rest of the apartment, so you can access all the other rooms through here. You have this beautiful green tile flooring that's in great shape. Then you come through here and you see the bathroom. So fresh paint in the bathroom as well. Brand new vinyl flooring that just got put down. You got the nice medicine cabinet with the vanity light up there. Going through here. Nice fixtures for the sink, the toilet. This is actually a fresh tub glaze. So it's basically, brand new finish on the tub. Got this window here. And this is what the rest of the bathroom from inside. Then coming out through here, you can take a look. You have the fridge, which is here. Take a look, all clean inside the appliances. Coming through here, you have brand new cabinets. These ones were just installed, just painted, and everything matching with the rest of the apartment. Granite style countertop, which looks really nice. And then another window, so plenty of counter space. Big sink bin and everything. Here's the hookups for the washer dryer machines. Coming through here, you see bedroom number 2. Also, you got hardwood floors in the bedrooms and over there in the other room as well. Also big enough for like a queens / desk / dresser setup. And this room is the mud room, which goes out to the back hallway. There's a little storage closet back there as well. And this is the room number 3. Also has its own closet and doors and everything as well. And if you have any questions about this or any of our other listings, you can go to nexuswor.com and go to our for rent page or our vacancies page and schedule something with a leasing agent. And once again, this is 196 Fairmont Ave, Unit 3. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.